Happy to see you in my YouTube channel Daily Sana with the new gadgets and organizers that you need in your life for being more clean and organized. And this mop with microfiber cloth can move in different directions easily. And to prepare dumplings easily, I recommend this 2-in-1 dumpling machine which allow you to save time. Really, I'm liking this nail polish bottle holder. What do you think about? You can find all these gadgets at AliExpress, IKEA. The first gadget is this wall pump that comes with different color. Silicone sink stopper to stop water and save your objects. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video with friends for more gadgets. And if you need link of any gadget, please show me that in comments. If you are liking to decorate your coffee, I suggest this space pen to decorate coffee and cake. If you need link of any gadgets, please show me that in comments. And don't forget to like and share this video with friends for more gadgets. Every kitchen needs this wonderful peeler to peel vegetables and fruits quickly and without danger to the hand. Three-speed automatic mixer to prevent hot soup from boiling. Please, I need your opinion about this wonderful gadget to organize and arrange the house easily, as well as facilitate daily life. All of these products you will find on Amazon, IKEA or AliExpress, and I will put link for any gadget in the description box. This extendable dish rack in a beautiful color as well as great division for placing a lot of utensils with the ability to empty the water easily. This small gadget helps to organize kitchen tools as well as cleaning utensils and can be installed easily without holes in the wall. To peel and cut fruits, I suggest this wonderful set that will save you a lot of time. I suggest this gadget, which can be installed without holes. It can be used as an organizer for cleaning tools or as a holder for kitchen paper. Really, this smart gadget is so important for any kitchen. What do you think?